Today I'm going to be trying some new eyeshadow shades. These are from the California Dreamin ShadowSense collection. I already put my review up of the LipSense collection, so make sure you guys check that out. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is Victoria. I'm a professional makeup artist and a top distributor for Senegence International. I give honest reviews of products. Just because I sell something doesn't mean I have to like it. I'm always 100% honest with you guys. So that's why I'm here, to talk about new products that came out so that I can show you guys what the pros are, what the cons are, what I think of the color story and the formula and everything, because everyone always has so many questions when new products come out, but I want to give you guys the honest 411. I promise to never lie about something just to sell a product. These are 3 new really pretty shades that came out. It's Desert Rose, Sunbaked Shimmer, and then Seabreeze Shimmer. Obviously these 2 are a little bit more wearable than this one, although I do love a pretty blue-green eye on people with blue eyes. Looks so good. So I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys of each one of these. Last time I did only swatches though, you guys were not a fan. I'm gonna show you guys each one of these on my eye individually, because that seems to be what you guys like seeing, is when it's actually on my eyeball, but I'm not gonna be showing a full look with any of these. I'll be showing full looks on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me on there. I want you guys to let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of California is. This collection is called California Dreamin. Our headquarters is in California. I get to go a couple times a year for corporate events and for things in my social media career with my husband Matt. We're both TikTok influencers, so we go out there a lot to collaborate with other creators, go to TikTok headquarters, create content, all that fun stuff. My favorite personal part of California is, one, getting to see our family. So my niece and nephew and Matt's brother and my sister-in-law, they all live out there. So we get to go see them when we're in California, which is super fun. We got to spend Christmas with them last year. But my other favorite part is getting to go to Disneyland. I think people make fun of Disney adults, like that's like a thing. But I used to work in entertainment in Orlando, and Disney World was a big part of me and Matt's relationship when we lived out there. We got to go to Disney and make vlogs and just have lots of fun. I love the environment of Disney. It's like just so fun, even as an adult. Like, who can hate on Disney World? Come on. Okay guys, keep watching to see my first impression of the California Dreamin ShadowSense collection. So I don't have any eyeshadow on. All I have on is foundation and concealer. Maybe I'll throw a little lip gloss on. Ooh, some Citrus Grove. Okay, I already said, you guys, I have a first impression of the LipSense California Dreamin collection, so make sure you guys check that out. These shadows are really pretty. I've already seen some really great looks with them. Now these all come in the really cute glitter bags, which kind of match the Seabreeze shimmer. So let's start with that one. So I'm gonna put this on my lid and then throw some mascara on and show you guys what it looks like, how it applies. I think it's super important to like know how products apply, because that helps you know how you can work with them. So some shades are a little bit thin. They work better with, you know, a shading brush and a patting motion. The more thick shades you can actually apply to your hand first and then apply. So there's different techniques for different formulas of this same product. So, you know, in powdered shadows, it's the same way. So like a matte product is gonna apply differently than a shimmer product, which is gonna apply differently than a glitter product, which is gonna apply differently than a duochrome or a foil finish. I mean, there's so many finishes, which is why I like doing these videos, to show you guys the differences. So let's start out with Seafoam Shimmer, or oh my gosh, I said the wrong, you guys. Okay, Seafoam Shimmer is this older shade that's like much more blue. Let me show you guys the difference. So Seafoam Shimmer, this is Seafoam Shimmer. It came out like 2 years ago, I believe. And then this is the Seabreeze Shimmer. Does anyone remember Seabreeze, like the astringent that you like used in middle school that like fried your skin? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I can smell it just thinking about this. Okay, so this does look to be like a shimmer formula. Pretty sheer actually. Ignore that. That's from the last collection I reviewed. Really pretty, definitely sheer. So let's throw this bad boy on. With shimmers, I know I can go in a little bit more heavy-handed. So I'm just using a patting motion on this one. It's definitely very sheer. Like, this is gonna be a great topper, I feel like. With the sheer colors, you really don't want to use a rubbing motion because it can cause any shades below it to lift. Okay, I'm actually kind of shocked. So I didn't think I was gonna like this, but because it's so sheer, it actually looks really pretty. It's just like a wash of green instead of being like really metallic-y green. It's showing up really green on me. I kind of expected this to be like a blue almost. I mean, I should know because it's kind of a sheer, but it almost has like a duochrome finish to it. Like, that's really pretty actually. It's not as like 80s as I was expecting. And of course, everything's buildable, so you can just continue to build up to whatever level of coverage you want. I'm actually surprised though. Like, I don't hate this. It's very subtle. I was expecting it to be really in your face. It's pretty. It's very like pearlized. I really like this actually. I'm not seeing any major creasing or anything going on. Remember, to avoid creasing, you want to apply in layers, not getting too much product. If you are getting creasing, then that means that you're probably putting too much product on at once. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes and then we're going to look at a close-up for you guys. When I rub back and forth, it really does remove the product, you guys. So you wanna make sure you're not rubbing when you're applying, or else you are not gonna like how it turns out. Trust me. I really need to toss this tube of mascara, you guys. We're getting a little low. So my lashes are getting so long that they're like hitting my lid whenever I'm applying mascara these days, which is like a super good problem to have. It's still super annoying. Now I am getting like a little bit of pooling of the glitter in my creases, but I can't tell if that's just the light or the product. Okay, let me show you guys a close-up of this gorgeous shade. While I don't think that this is like the most wearable shade of all time, like I don't hate it. It actually looks like decent, especially with like a fun summery look. Like this would be super fun, like pool summer look. I would love to see this as a highlight in the center of the lid or on the bottom lash line. It's a really pretty color. I'm pleasantly surprised. All right guys, let me take this off and then next we're gonna try out Sunbaked Shimmer. Okay, so let's swatch Sunbaked Shimmer. Ooh, this is right up my alley. I love like reds and purples and mauves, and this is a really pretty red. Like I said, that's Boysenberry LashSense from like 3 days ago, so just ignore that. Super pretty. It looks really like not as pigmented as some other shimmers though. Wow, I got my under eye concealer way too white. We're just gonna go with it, okay? Don't judge me, you guys. I'm just gonna throw this straight on my lid because it's a shimmer, so it shouldn't be as pigmented as a matte would be. Ooh, okay, I love the shimmer texture to this. This is looking really pretty. It's applying so evenly too. The shimmer is not like glitter though, which I like. This is definitely gonna go in my favorites. I can already tell. It's so pretty on, you guys. Look at that. It's applying so well. It's not lifting at all. Super blendable. Look at that finish. Ooh. Man, I'm like, my wheels are already spinning of like all the really pretty looks I can do with this. This is gonna be a great transition color and a great highlight color on the lid. Not necessarily a good crease shade, although it wouldn't not work. I don't necessarily love shimmers for the crease, but I end up doing them anyway sometimes. I am a fan. Let me show you guys a close-up. Really pretty, you guys. This one is very blendable. I love the formula. The color's great. This one gets a thumbs up from me. I'm obsessed. I can't stop staring at it. Honestly, I could get away with like just this, like maybe a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner. Like it looks so pretty. I'm going to take this off and we'll try on our last shade, Desert Rose. All right guys, last but not least, we have the Desert Rose. This color is matte. I put a swatch of it here for you guys. It looks super pretty. It kind of reminds me of like rose quartz LashSense a little bit. So let's throw it on. Ooh, okay, I knew I was gonna like Desert Rose, you guys. This is so pretty. And I'm using the Morphe M433. This is a great brush because it kind of like toes the line between a shading brush and a blending brush. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. This is so pretty. It's like the perfect mix between a pink and a red. It's like pink posy, but a step darker. Dang, oh my gosh, you guys, that's so striking. The formula is really creamy. I love when shades have this formula. It's not like lifting when I go back over it. It's really creamy. It reminds me of like mulberry and pink posy, but like a little bit darker. Okay, this might be my new favorite ShadowSense color. I've been wearing a lot of oranges lately and y'all have been calling me out, but like I'm probably gonna wear this one like so much now. I really liked Mauve Shimmer, but it's already sold out. Like, I'm sad how fast that one sold out. That was from the Posh Pastels collection. I think you can still get it in the full collection, but they definitely don't have any individually anymore. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, and it's applying so beautifully. Thank God. I don't think I've done an first impression like this since I've done the Wonderland ShadowSense collection, like in 2018 maybe. Wow, that just blended and applied so beautifully. Let me show you guys a close-up. This one gets a big, big, big thumbs up. I'm obsessed with this color. I could wear this all the time. It's so pretty. Like, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Super pretty. I feel like I got way too much concealer on, you guys. Oops. I'm loving my hair like this. Let me know if you guys want to see a hair tutorial for this hair look, and I'll do it for you. Okay, enough said. I love this color. This is a great formula, super creamy, applies easily. 10 out of 10, thumbs up. Overall, I really loved this entire collection, actually. I didn't think I was gonna like the Seabreeze Shimmer because it's like green. I don't know, I was biased. I felt like I wasn't gonna like it, but it's actually really pretty. It could be great for summer looks, pool looks, really pretty, applies great, great formula throughout the whole collection. I mean, the Sunbaked Shimmer, super pretty too, really versatile, layerable, mixable. Overall, a really solid collection. Let me know in the comments which your favorite was. And remember, if you guys shop on my website, you're gonna get free shipping and the bag when you purchase the full collection, but you can purchase any of them individually. All right, guys, our viewer of the week is... Hey girl, hey, thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Remember to be viewer of the week. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment so I know you watch. I do have new merch available. Make sure you guys check out the link in my description to shop my merch and help support my channel. You don't get paid big bucks to make YouTube videos, so this is something that helps me keep the lights on. In a way, you can show your support even if you never buy a makeup product from me. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click my face down there to subscribe to my channel and click one of the videos to your right to keep watching. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout!